In this video, I'm going to show you how to favorite brushes in Krita. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to brushes down here at the bottom right, if you are inside the default view. And then from here, you can see up top, you have all. And then if you click on it, there's a bunch of different things. And at the bottom, it says my favorites. So if you actually want to add brushes to my favorites, which means you actually favorite them, it's super simple. You want to switch back to all. And then you want to find the brush you want to add to favorites. So for example, let's say I want to add this one over here. You want to right click on that brush and you want to hover over assign to tag. Now here you want to simply click on my favorites, the one that has the star next to it. And now if you switch over to my favorites, there we go, the brush is now in here. Okay, so that's all you have to do to favorite brushes. And to actually unfavorite them, you can do the exact same thing. Right click and then you can just remove from other tag and then click on my favorites and it's gonna get removed. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.